Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. You're in the right place if you're a Toyota Tundra owner or a DIY enthusiast. In today's video, we're diving into the Fusebox diagram for the Toyota Tundra models from 2004 to 2006. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might face with your car. And that's it for today's guide on the Toyota Tundra 2004 to 2006 Fusebox diagram. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Toyota DIYs and car maintenance tips. Do you have any questions, or have you encountered fuse-related issues in your Toyota Tundra? Comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.